Hey friends, welcome back to Jenny Food and My Kitchen. In last week's video, where we made that awesome sour cream rhubarb coffee cake, I promised you another wonderful breakfast slash brunch idea, and this is a good one. And not only is it good because it tastes good, but it's also very quick and easy, and you can make it for a lot of people without a lot of effort. So today we are going to make kind of an upscale version of a yogurt parfait. So let's make this. Friends, I've got all of our ingredients right here. To start out, we are going to mix Greek yogurt with ricotta cheese. That is that texture that we're looking for this specific parfait, and that's really what makes it good. So now normally I would choose a Fage Greek yogurt just because texturally, I think that's the best out there. It's dense, it's rich, it's tangy and creamy. It is not watery in any way. And I just think that really makes the best possible version of this recipe. But we are going to work with what we have and what I could find. So I've got Greek yogurt, whole milk ricotta cheese. We've got honey and vanilla that we're going to add to that. And then we're going to build these parfaits with some fresh fruit and some granola. So I'm going to show you how we do this. What I really love about this recipe, in addition to the texture and flavor of it, is that it is so quick and easy, and it has such good flavor for such small amount of effort. We're going to start by adding our Greek yogurt. Now I need 1.5 cups of this Greek yogurt, which actually this brand seems to be a little thicker than I thought it was going to be, so that's good. So we'll get 1.5 cups of this. All right, that looks to be 1.5 cups. So we'll get that right in our bowl. And I'm telling you, don't blink, because this recipe will be over. It's very short, but you know, sometimes you just need these kind of recipes. If you have company coming or it's your turn to make something for the church breakfast, these are so easy and they're so delicious. And it's kind of something unexpected, and people really appreciate just kind of that little bit of luxury, I think. At least I do. I would love it if you made it for me. So now we're going to add 1 cup of ricotta cheese. I think we got just a little bit more. Let's see. Just a little tiny bit more. The first time I tried this recipe, I just thought, I was so intrigued because I thought, ricotta cheese and Greek yogurt, what is that going to do? The chef and me, like, I had to make it. So here we are today. All right. So 1.5 cups yogurt, 1 cup of ricotta cheese. So if you're making a bunch of lasagna and then you have ricotta cheese left over that you have no idea what to do with, I've now given you an idea. All right, and to that mixture, I'm just going to add a teaspoon of regular vanilla. And now this next part is kind of up to you. So one of the reasons that I like this recipe is that you can control the sweetness. Now, some people, to me, like store-bought yogurt is too sweet. Like in terms of like strawberry or blueberry or whatever, that is so much sugar. So we are going to sweeten this ourselves. Now, I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of honey, which sounds like a lot, but remember, this is going to make more than 1 serving. There's 1 tablespoon of honey. There is 2 tablespoons of honey. And that's it. So now I'm just going to get a whisk, and I'm just going to whisk this all together and check it for sweetness. If I would like more sweetness, I can add just a little bit more honey. If I've made it too sweet, then I can always add just a little more yogurt, a little more ricotta. But I mean, 30 seconds, that's together, right? I've got a spoon. I'm just going to go ahead and check that for sweetness. That's perfect. It's like still tangy, but just sweet I'm gonna add just a little bit more honey on the top. So that'll be perfect. That's perfect. All right, so now I'm just gonna quickly wash my berries and slice those up, and I will show you how we are gonna put these together. So just like that, our recipe is ready to put together. Now, the other day I served these for a group of people, and I had little plastic cups. I had bought the ones that are more like a cocktail cup, and I'll show you kind of a short video of that tray right here. And as you'll see, I mean, those are so cute and so pretty, and everybody just raved about those. They're just, I mean, they just feel kind of extra. They were so nice, and you know everything that's in there. So that's what I like about it. But today, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make this in just a cute little jelly jar. All right, I've just got a cute little spoon. I'm gonna dollop a little bit of that in there. And you can make these as big or as small as you want them to. I think that was about as much as we made because we had so many other breakfast items to serve last weekend that was a good amount. So I'm gonna do kind of like a double-decker parfait. So I'm gonna put in just a little bit of this granola mix now, right on top of that yogurt. And then I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of fruit over top of that, maybe a couple of those strawberries. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit more honey just to sweeten those berries up a little bit. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit more yogurt. Some more granola, and then I'm just gonna add some fruit on the top and just a little bit more honey. All right, and just like that, our little breakfast treat is done. Now I would just eat this for breakfast with a cup of coffee and be done. Half of this would be nice with some eggs, sausage, other things, and it would just feel kind of upscale, like I'm going out for breakfast. So let's get a spoon and try this. All right, friends, spoon in hand, let's try this. Get a good bite of that yogurt with granola and a strawberry. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, this is so easy. I don't know how this is so easy and yet so kind of luxurious and surprising. That ricotta cheese just does something to the texture of the yogurt. It's amazing. So next time you have company, or like your sister's coming from out of town and you want to make her something special for breakfast, I mean, you don't have to even turn the oven on. How great is that? Which makes it great for summer. So friends, I'm eating this, and I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy me a quick cup of coffee before I have to head off to work. So I'll see you soon. Bye for now.